Hey, hello and welcome to the new episode of STARmuffin YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a grid, perfect grid. Let's dive into it. First of all, I'm going to use the new file and then I create a page with an height 1000 and resolution is 72. It's enough, I guess, and then create a page. Also, right now, I'm going to use in here the rectangle tool in here and then just one click in there and using to our document size like here, and then from the center please just enable to this box and then hit the OK button. So that I'm gonna use in here, I'm gonna unlock this background and select two of them with control, and then I'm going to use aligns in here, align bottom edges, and right now also align right edges. Okay, I'm just clicking the rectangle, and in here on the right side we have a properties, right? If you don't have any kind of properties, go to window in here on the right side and please enable the properties options over here. So select rectangle and go to fill, and fill, select in here no color, but go to stroke and select any kind of actually color, but I want to select color for black. And also I'm going to use this to set the shape stroke width enough for 20 pixels or I don't know 25 pixels. But in here, and as you can see, we have to change set align type for stroke. The stroke must be the first option. Okay, the first option is actually create the stroke inside, and then I'm going to add more here, just 25 pixels, and enter, and as you can see the stroke actually created inside. But the next thing, I don't want to behind actually this layer, and so that I'm going to select this one and delete layer. Go to edit, define a pattern in here, this one is grid, and hit that OK button. So let's just go to new and create 1000 and create a new document in here, and go in here to new fill or adjustment layer, go to use pattern in here. I'm going to select the last one of them and just change with the scale from here. So for example, like the 4% is good, and hit that OK the button. The next thing, for example, like we have a different kind of images like this, but I want to change my grid color. So how to do that? Go in here again, just create another solid color over here, but with your selected color over there, and hit that OK the button, and right click in here, go to create clipping mask in here, and as you can see this color field, it's actually goes the pattern fill, right? And also you can see your grid fill color changed, so you can actually play with that color. Double click and change different kind of color as well. So that's like it. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you for watching me, and see you next one.